What's up? You already know what time it is. This is another Wildflower Cases unboxing video. But wait, before you start skipping all through my video looking for the good stuff, this is the good stuff. I'm doing a Wildflower Cases gift card giveaway to their website. I'm giving away 10 Wildflower Cases gift cards. Enter my giveaway. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below in the comment section letting me know what other types of videos you want to see from me moving forward in the future. Please do not leave me any suggestions asking me to buy other phone cases from other companies. I'm not doing it. I'm not buying a $75 case by case, and I'm not buying a $2 Shein case. It's just not necessary. Wildflower cases are already amazing. I don't need to branch out to other companies. So I'm sorry, I'm not doing that, but leave me any other types of suggestions of videos that you want to see from me moving forward in the future. More details will be at the end of the video, but now let's just get into the cases. What do we have here? I don't even know which one we're gonna pull out first. Let's just do it. Let's get her done. All right. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it right now. Oh my gosh, you guys. We have the Matcha love. Matcha love. I love you so much. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Oh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh, wow, okay. You guys, in person, this is absolutely everything and more. This is crazy. Crazy talk, you guys. Wildflower's talking crazy with this one. What? Ugh. Okay, so we just had a moment, so let's just get our phone dressed and ready to go right now. Give me the green light. Or whatever John Legend said. You guys, this is so sick. This is really nice. I really am a big fan of the color green. That's like a fun fact that my family and friends don't know about me. I really like the color green, like a lot. This is so sick. This is a really good case. And Wildflower, come on, you guys. You guys went off. You did your thing. This is, you guys, this is a really good case. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy. You are so beautiful to me, ooh baby. It has the light green, it has the deep green, it has the cream. It's just giving me everything that I need. It's a lot, and it's just a lot of perfection. It's just, so many of you guys were telling me that if you win my giveaway, you would like to use your gift card towards getting the Matcha Love case, and I just thought to myself, do you, Brie? Do you need the Matcha Love case yourself? And then I also thought to myself, girl, don't ask stupid questions. You know you do. You know you need this. So here we are.
I can feel it, like the rays from the sun. You bring the sunshine. I can feel it, that you are the one. Oh baby, be mine. I can feel it.
All right, so let's meet my next new baby. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. We have the Groovy Shrooms, and she is so groovy. The elusive, the angelic, the gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. All right, let's put part A and part B together. You guys, this case is crazy. I know for a really long time, not wearing color and not being into color was, you know, that was the new black. That was what was cute. That was what was cool. But I'm so glad that color is back, you guys, because I was doing it anyway, and I've never really cared that much about being cool. Clearly, as you can see, never cared too much about that, but this has all the colors you could ever want, and it is just so vibrant, and it is so pretty in person. I hope that I'm doing a good job of picking up all the vibrant, beautiful, rich colors that this beautiful Groovy Shroom case has to offer. It's amazing. She is a dream. She is a beauty queen.
When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you.
You guys, guys, my girl right here, she is a young rainbow inspired mushroom queen, and she deserves absolutely nothing but the best. She's incredible. All right guys, so next we have the Sassy Moody Nasty. I don't even know what I'm calling nasty. I don't even know what it's gonna be now. Oh, it's the very cute case. Oh baby. Oh, you guys, another brown case. Leave it up to Wildflower to be so on trend. We all know how trendy brown has been. Come on, this is too cute, too cute. Oh, you guys, this is too cute to handle. It's too cute to function. I mean, it's functioning. It's just me who's not functioning because of its cuteness. It is just too stinking adorable. What? I rest my case. This is Sassy, Moody. Maybe not the nasty part. Maybe not. Sassy, Moody, Nasty. All right, let's get it together. This is so beautiful, you guys. This brown color is gonna look so sick in selfies. You guys, doesn't this already just look so good with this pink top that I have on? I was about 12 years old when I realized that brown and pink look amazing together. Brown and sky blue also look amazing together. Just a life hack, just a little tip for you. You guys can picture this for a cute little selfie moment, can't you? I'm already picturing it. This looks amazing. This looks so good. Guys, this is just so flattering. Like how does Wildflower make phone cases flattering? I don't know. There's a science to it. It's a magic. And they're magicians. Fun fact, I used to have a cat and she used to always make this little facial expression that this bear here is making. So cute. And as you guys know, I have a dog that sometimes I drop my Wildflower cases on accidentally, and he is currently making this face at me right now as I film this video. It's also stinking adorable. My dog is my best friend, by the way. Give this video a thumbs up if an animal is your best friend. And one of the bears even has hearts as the paw pads instead of regular paw pads that bears have. This one has hearts, which is too adorable. They all have little flowers or hearts of some kind, so this is so amazing. This case is so universal. We've got like light brown, neutral colors going on, and we have the deep chocolate brown going on, so this would work for like any season, any fashion of any season, of any year, of any time, of any century. Amazing.
I like it, I love it. You know all of my buttons. If I'm in your city, then it's jumping. If I'm in your city, say something. Here we go again. Pull up in the Benz. I got space for you and your friends. Guess what type of mood that I'm in? If you're thinking what I'm thinking, chime in.
This next one, I already know what it is because, you know, process of elimination. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have the gorgeous Salem Mitchell case. Oh baby, wow. You guys, you know what this is giving me? This is giving me Vincent van Gogh, Starry Nights. Hear me out. Let me prove my case to you. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is what I'm talking about. Do you guys see that? Look at that Vincent van Gogh Starry Nights reference. I'm obsessed with it. It looks so beautiful, you guys. This looks like it belongs in the Getty Art Museum. Like, this is incredible. Beautiful. Or MoMA. Beautiful. All right, let's get our Salem Mitchell Vincent van Gogh Wildflower mashup collaboration case dressed and ready to go. It is incredible. She is so pretty. Pretty girl. You guys, this is really, 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 really nice. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I waited so long to get this case. I didn't even intend to. You guys kept asking me, why don't you have the Salem Mitchell case? And I was like, I don't know. They haven't restocked it in the iPhone 12 Pro Max size. So here we are. It is finally happening. And she is an American beauty queen. I love her. I love her so much. Oh, whew, whew. It's everything and more. It's so, you guys, this is really, really, really nice. I'm so impressed.
Way before you take your love away, we gotta take your love all the way. Just don't take your love away. Hey.
stickers that were included in today's purchase, and I'm going to be doing some very cute DIY projects with the stickers and wildflower themed in general, so you have to subscribe to keep a lookout for that. All right, so what do we got? What do we got? We've got the mushrooms, we've got the lucky case, we have the black cherry case, we have the tie-dye case, we have the cheetah print, another cheetah print, we have very cute cowhide case, we have the Shigo from Kim Possible case. What is this? The Green Flames case. Yes. By the way, guys, I've now done 2 Wildflower String Ting inspired phone charm videos here on my YouTube channel, and I've just posted the second one, so please go ahead and check that out. I did the Emma Chamberlain case as well as lots others, so you guys have to see it. It's so cute. All right, so now for everybody who has not yet entered my giveaway, let's discuss my Wildflower Cases gift card giveaway. The short version of entering my Wildflower Cases gift card giveaway, where I'm giving away 10 gift cards, is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below with a video suggestion of a video that you would like to see me do in the future. My interests are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Again, like I said earlier in the video, please do not leave me any recommendations or suggestions asking me to try that phone case company, try this phone case company. I'm sorry, I'm only sticking to Wildflower Cases. I have checked out all of the case suggestions you guys have recommended to me, but Wildflower gives me what I want and what I need from a phone case at a price that I deem reasonable. Anything that is too inexpensive, that's $2, $5, it's probably not going to be very protective for your very expensive iPhone. And something that is $75 or $60, I don't need that. That is just way too much money, and Wildflower is a price that I feel comfortable paying for. So just like I'm sharing with you that my interests are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle as far as the direction for my channel to continue to move towards, please share with me what your beauty, fashion, lifestyle, or something similar of that nature interests are, so we can collaborate on an idea, you know, for a video that you want to see from me in the future. That's kind of what I'm trying to do here with you guys. I am not just going to be a designated phone case channel. I have so much more to offer than just phone cases, so let me know what else aside from phone cases do you want to see from me. I will do wildflower inspired videos, and I will continue to buy wildflower cases to do videos on, but outside of wildflower cases, I am not going to just buy every single phone case on the face of the planet. That is just not necessary. I don't need to do that, and I'm sorry, I'm just not going to do that. I am paying for this entire giveaway with all my own money. Wildflower Cases is not involved in any way, shape, or form. Make sure that you are 18 years or older if you're going to enter the giveaway, and if you are not, just make sure you have your parent or guardian's permission. If you need their permission, just show them this video. I'm sure that should suffice. So yes, there's only ever just been one giveaway, which will be over, complete, done, finished, finito, the day that I reach 2,500 subscribers, 2,500 subscribers here on my YouTube channel. Until then, this is an ongoing giveaway where more people can enter until the day that I reach 2,500 subscribers, which hopefully we're going to be pulling up on really soon. I say this because every now and again somebody will leave me a comment saying, well, I'm gonna enter again. I didn't win last time, but I'm like, no, wait, there was no last time. It's only just ever been one giveaway. So I thought I made myself clear before, and if I didn't, I apologize. I'm trying to clear that up now, but most of you guys already understood, so for those of you who didn't. Follow me on Instagram. It is always right here. I really hope and pray to grow my Instagram count as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of me, and if you want to see more of my wildflower cases, follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting them over there. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye. How are we feeling about my haircut? I got it yesterday, and it's, you know, it's a new look. This is the shortest my hair has been in years, so are we feeling it? Do we like her? Just cut it for fun. My stylist is like, should I cut it? I'm like, cut it. Just let's see what happens. It's quarantine, so what's the worst thing that can happen with my hair? Nothing. After my last order and my last wildflower video, they really forced my hand with this one. They released so many cases after my last video, and I'm just like, you know I don't have a choice. You know I can't live without your cases, so I'm gonna have to get these.